Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create and remove configurations for Steelseries Arctis 7 Plus. And to do this, we'll need to download the GG software on your PC. You can find it on Steelseries website. Now select Arctis 7 Plus. Here on the left there's configurations, and the first one is default. Now that's the one that you can delete or configure. I mean, you can configure it, but you can change a name for it. So okay, now to add a new configuration, click on new. You can name it right here. On the bottom you can auto launch this configuration with specific apps. So for example, if you want to launch this configuration each time you play a Counter-Strike or something like that, you can add it right here. Now when everything is ready, click on save, and here's a new configuration that we've added. You can click on the gear icon next to it to edit the settings. So here again, add new applications, or you can also click on it to duplicate it or remove it by clicking on delete. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.